Hi, today we are going to talk about what we call the classroom of the future, or Classroom 3.0 for Dummies. How anyone can create a blended learning environment that combines augmented reality, virtual reality, video, sounds, and slides in minutes for learning and training and performing. Hi, we are in the French countryside. You're looking at a view through my office in the window, and I'm combining augmented virtual reality with traditional painting. So today we're gonna do what I call Classroom 3.0 for Dummies. So what do I need in terms of hardware? In hardware you need some type of PC or Mac. You would need some type of marker like this one here that's normally free. It's beneficial for virtual reality to have this type of humido glasses that you can put in your pocket and then you attach to your mobile phone by just unfolding them and doing this, and you basically strap that to your phone, iOS or Android. It's good if you have a projector. I use this small projector because I can carry them around. So that's all you need actually to create Classroom 3.0 in terms of hardware. Now, in terms of software, you need a few other things, but those comes from EON'S, so it's pretty easy. One, you would need to have the AVR portal, so that's easy to download. You can contact us and you can get access to this. You go to www.avr-portal.com. You can request from us a license. A trial license that doesn't cost you anything. You can also have a desktop, iPhone and tablet version. Then you need the app, and the app you can download for free anytime, and it says here where you can do that. I can also show you here if you don't mind. I'll just go to this, 1 second. So you see my phone now. I'm gonna go to Creator AVR, and this is the app, and you can see here that you have lesson. You can sort by courses or lessons. You can exclude or have all the above. So here's the lessons, example lessons, or you can go by courses if you prefer that, or you can go by applications. So now you have all that. You also have a library. Let me share that with you. 1 second. So, okay, let's go there. This is actually the world's largest library for learning in VR and AR. And I'll walk you through that. So it's coming with Young Creator, AVR, which allows you to easily create your own content from various sources. We can talk about that. And that's an example how you can create those environments. So once you have the glasses or you have your marker, you can create that interaction. You can go to the portal. So first of all, it is the world's largest library. And if you want to learn more about that, you can just simply click or ask us about it. But
hi, today
I'm going to jump over that, and I'll give you the type of things you can do here. So you can get assets either from, thousands of lessons that have been already created, or you can get type of application related assets that we have. We have more than 4,000 assets for VR and AR, or you can tap into the library that we created over the last 20 years of standalone applications. So it's pretty powerful. Once you've done that, you can then go to experience those lessons. So I'll give you 2 examples here. So one example is to do with history. So you see an example of Egypt. You can go through an experiential aspect of the lesson. You can also go to quiz or experience, where you have to select versus artifacts based on your position. You can, so that's an example of a history lesson, but let me give you an example of something more, let's say, technical, which has with human behavior. This one is a humanity's social evolution, how we treat people legally in different contexts. And believe it or not, it's about a guillotine. And you see here how we combine on the AR device virtual reality, augmented reality, as well as videos that pop up into this multi-dimensional area. How you do that, if you want to learn about it, is pretty simple. You can contact us and we can help you. So that's on experiencing things. How about how you can create AVR application for knowledge transfer in minutes if you don't have any programming experience? There is the possibility to do that. Also, here's a very quick example. This has to do with space, International Space Station. This is the whole content creation process, how you interact. I actually got a live stream video from integrated with a VR AI experience on this application. It took me less than 12 minutes to create the whole lesson, and then I can demonstrate the lesson for people, and you can do a quiz on it anytime, anywhere around the world. So that's the creation process. Then you want to do also multi-user. So let's say I created my application. Now I want to share it with various people around the globe, and I want to get them involved. I send them an email and they get into the same application with me. This gentleman happens to be in South Africa. I was in France, and now you can collaborate around the biology application or anatomy. You can see the red line there is him from South Africa, and the green line is me. We are dissecting these lungs, and we can communicate with each other at the same time in a very immersive environment in AR or VR at the same time. So that's about multi-user environment. Then how about creating interaction for anyone, anytime, anywhere? This has been a pretty difficult thing to do in the past because it requires people to have knowledge in scripting and so on. Here you can see how I do Classroom 3.0. I'm digging in to find a generator in helicopter RTN22, and I'm doing that by using the dissect button, and I'm recording this at the same time. So you can see here I'm taking it apart, and I can encapsulate that recording in virtual reality or augmented reality. So it's not just a YouTube recording. And then I can send it to anyone, anytime, anywhere to go to that environment, to get to that generator in this case. So that's just some examples of how you can create a Classroom 3.0. You can also, and that's what we're talking about today, that's 6, but you can also do an exam. So similar to a pilot in a simulation, the AVR exam puts your knowledge and skills to a test while automatically analyzing and assessing your performance. Or you can send someone to Alaska, and you can assist your colleague to repair equipment using AVR. Or you can do a wall by using the projector that connects with your phone. You can actually transform your classroom into an augmented virtual reality experience by using the phone and the projector, or the computer and the projector. And finally, you can save millions of dollars and expand your lab equipment by virtually tapping into our existing library of different devices, from MRI devices to engines to CMC machines, and interacting with them in real time, both for learning, training, and performance. And with that, thank you so much. It's been a fun to share with you very quickly what's possible. Obviously, we will need to talk about it more. You're welcome to contact us, www.eonreality.com.